How to transfer Amazon gift card balance to bank account. The first things first is you have to go ahead to Amazon.com and then log in to your account. Now, it doesn't matter if you're using your laptop, PC, or your mobile device, it works the same. Now, once you log into your account, you have to make sure as well that you have an account with Amazon Pay. So let's just go ahead and search for Amazon Pay. Now, the only method that works fine or that works actually is through Amazon Pay. Now, I don't have any Amazon Pay account, but I can walk you through on how to transfer your remaining Amazon gift card balance to your bank account. And from here, you just have to log in to your Amazon Pay account. And then once you logged in, you have to go to the digital gold. So just type in under Amazon Pay with digital gold. You're going to purchase a digital gold with the remaining balance of your Amazon gift card. Now, for you to be able to convert it through or to transfer it over to your bank account, you have to buy a digital gold, and then once you purchase a digital gold, you will have to sell it again. Upon successful selling, it will automatically go to your bank account unless you have set up your bank account through your Amazon Pay. All right. So that's the easiest method and how you can transfer your Amazon gift card to your bank account.